Hello, welcome to our packaging machine live workshop live stream. Today we are going to introduce you the cupcakes automatic packaging line. So let's go. First, you can see this is our automatic demolding machine for cupcakes. This is the baking tray for rotary oven. Normally, for example, this one normally is for manual operation for workers putting the baking tray here, tray by tray, and then this delivery to the automatic packaging demolding machine for sucking the muffin cakes. For example, here, and also you can see this could be customized for 2 baking tray or 4 baking tray. And you can see here for our machine this time is for 4 baking tray. This is the sucker, food grade sucker for sucking the cupcakes. And then after the machine suck the cupcakes for 2 tray or 4 trays, and then they will deliver to that conveyor system to match with the packaging line. For this automatic demolding machine also could be customized based on your need for 2 tray or 4 tray, and also all this could be have English and Chinese touch screen operation, and also you can address the parameter inside for this all this adjustment. For example, the positioning for location, and also the suck distance for between the transfer. So this is the automatic demolding machine. And after that, we comes to the automatic packaging machine for packaging. And you can see this is one big line we call organization units. This is the organization unit for matches with 5 packaging machine. Most of the clients, they will ask how many muffin cakes per minute you can pack. Actually, this could be customized. 1 machine or 4 machine or 5 machine can be, depends on the production capacity, the output capacity from your workshop, from your cupcakes. And for example, first, this is a transit conveyor for matching with the auto demolding machine, and comes to the organization units for the conveyor for distribution. All this is the distribution battles for the muffins. They will separate the cupcakes to different channels and then feed to different packaging machine accordingly. And you can see this is the different air pushing battles. And this is the, let me show you the other section. You can see the cupcakes was distributed here one by one from here for this channel for the air cylinder, drive by air cylinder, one by one, and then delivered to every packaging line. And this is the stealing section. For this power conveyor, and also with the separated motor control, this could reject the product if 2 cakes come in parallel. So, and also the width of the conveyor is adjustable. So after this is the stealing unit, after the stealing unit, this is the sorting units. And for example, the stealing unit, this one, the first section is for the products, this is for product feeding, and this is for product stacking, and the product adjustment, and also for the location. And also this comes to the packaging machine. And as you see, our machine can run 150 to 200 packs per minute, which is stable running in case you want nitrogen filling, because most of the cupcakes, they need nitrogen filling. For air filling section, we will, even though we will advise the speed lower down a little bit compared with the one without nitrogen filling. And for example, if you're running the machine for 200 without nitrogen filling, and normally with the nitrogen filling, you need to lower down to 180 or 150 for stable running. And also all the parameters could be set here by auto feeding section for the packaging line, for the running speed, and also for the acceleration speed. And also our machine is equipped with a servo motor for high precision locationing in order to make sure that the machine is the cupcake is well located during the high speed running. And also our packaging machine is equipped with 3 servo motor and also automatic film splicing system, which means that, for example, one film roll max with 300 diameter, your workers need to change the film roll in 2 or 3 hours. But with 2 film loader, you can easily extend this time and save the labor hand. And also our packaging machine is equipped with a 3 servo motor, which is very organized electrical boxes with very stable running for control by servo motor, high precision, convenient for usage, and also smart controller, stable running, high precision for film pulling, and also high precision for film cutting with more accurate back length and also more accurate product location. And also all this belt is food grade belt, which is sufficient for food production. And it's very easy for you to transfer and do the cleaning during the transit for the works, during the break. Okay, today we mainly finished a brief introduction for the packaging machine. Okay, that's all. So see you next time. Bye bye.